Hi, my creative peeps. It's Craftin Just Because with Cowan. And today I wanted to make a cute little project, and it's a Ghirardelli chocolate holder. And I learned this project from my friend Patty Dolan, so kudos to Patty Dolan. And I'm using the Pretty Perennial stamp set. And we're going to go ahead and get started. Now, I don't have my Ghirardelli chocolates just yet, so that's going to be left empty for just a moment. But I can show you how to create this fun box anyway. So what we want to do is we want to start with a piece of designer series paper that is 7 inches by 3.5. And on the 3.5 inch side, we want to score each side at 1/4 of an inch, at 3/4 of an inch, and then I'm going to flip it around and do 1/4 of an inch and 3/4 of an inch. Now we're going to flip it to the 7 inch side, and we want to score it at 1/2 inch, at 2.5 inches, and at 3 inches. And we're done with our paper trimmer, my friends. So I'm going to bring in my paper snips, and I'm going to cut on this long end, and I'm going to cut all the way to this second score line. So I'm just going to cut there, and we're going to do the same thing on both sides. And then I'm going to cut on the second score line here and cut all the way down. Okay. So that's what you're left with. Okay. Now what you're going to do is on that 1/4 inch piece, I like to just tab mine a little bit on the end here, just like that. Okay. Then I'm going to bring my tag topper punch, and I'm going to punch the long end that will slide right down on in there. Okay, just like that. Okay. I'm then going to bring in my bone folder, and I'm going to burnish those score lines. And then this front flap, I'm going to fold over so you could see this side of the designer series paper. And then I'm going to carefully fold these mini flaps. So this will fit 2 squares of the Ghirardelli chocolates. And then I'm just going to add, whoops, that's not even my glue. I'm going to add adhesive onto that 1/4 inch flap. And then I'm going to carefully line those up along the back, just like so. And do the same thing on this side. And I like to hold both ends at one time. Okay, let that dry for a moment. I have a scrap piece of basic white here, and I'm going to use the For You stamp set, or sentiment. And I'm going to use Night of Navy ink. And first, you know what I'm going to do? Since this is such a small piece, I'm going to banner the bottom. So I like to use my tailored tag punch for that. I'm going to stamp For You, just like that. And then I'm going to trim off the top just like this. If you want it straight, you can. It'll be hidden by the little lip here. And I'm just going to put glue on the back. And tuck that in just like that. And then we want to add some ribbon. And so I'm going to add, I'm trying to see what I have here that would look good. I'm going to add some of the Misty Moonlight ribbon, the in color ribbon. And I'm going to tie it up at the top just like that. And then I'm going to tie a bow. It'll be a little different. Let's add glue. So I did this one a little different. I did a flower on the top, but it ended up being too big to put there, so I did it that way. And then all I need to do is add my chocolates. So such a cute and easy project. And I am featuring the Pretty Perennial bundle and the Paper Blooms Designer Series paper that's free in the celebration catalog. So with an order of $50 or more, you get to pick a free item for each of your $50 that you spend. So it's a great deal, and it's a big pack of paper. It's 12 by 12 paper. And I've just been having so much fun coordinating this set with that. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will be crafting with you guys again next week. And until then, I hope you have fun crafting, my dear peeps. Bye-bye.